Did you know there's a metal you've never heard of that made people millionaires while Bitcoin crashed? Meet rhodium. From 2016 to 21, this shiny metal exploded 3,000%. That's way better than Tesla stock or any crypto. Here's the crazy part. Rhodium only comes from two places, South Africa and Russia. And it's not even mined on purpose. It just happens when they dig for platinum. But every car company desperately needs rhodium for their engines. There's literally no substitute. None. Then COVID hit. Mines shut down. Panic. The price went insane. From $640 per ounce to $29,000. More expensive than gold. A small group of smart traders saw this coming. They bought everything they could find and cornered the entire market. The wildest part? Most people still can't even buy rhodium today. But the few who found specialty dealers became millionaires from metal that fits in your pocket.